In this video, you'll learn how to filter Protonmail so you can quickly find exactly the emails you're looking for. Whether your inbox is getting crowded or you just need to track down a specific message with an attachment, using Protonmail's search and filter tools will save you a lot of time. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to the Protonmail website. Type the address into the address bar and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're on the main mailbox view where you can see your list of emails. This is where we'll start working with the search and filter options. Next, look for the search bar near the top of the Protonmail interface. This is usually a long field where you can type keywords, email addresses, or subjects. Click on the search bar once to activate it. You should see your cursor appear inside the field, ready for you to start typing. Before you type anything, notice that Protonmail lets you choose where you want to search. You can search in all mail or narrow it down to specific folders like inbox, drafts, sent, or other folders you've created. This is helpful if you already know roughly where the email should be. For example, if you're looking for something you sent, change the search area to the sent folder so Protonmail doesn't waste time looking through everything else. Take a second to choose the most relevant section for your search. Once you've chosen the area, look for an option around the search field that mentions fewer search options or something similar. Go ahead and click on that, even though it's called fewer options. This is actually where you'll find some important filters that let you be much more specific about what you're looking for. After you open this area, you should see fields that let you filter by who the message is from and who it's to. These are usually labeled from and to, or shown with similar wording. Select the appropriate field depending on what you need. If you're searching for messages someone sent to you, you'd use the from field. If you're looking for emails that you sent to a particular person, you might use the to field instead. Now, in those fields, enter the email address or the name of the sender or recipient you're trying to find. Be as accurate as you can. If you remember the exact address, type that in. If you only remember part of the address or a name, start with that and refine your search later if needed. This step helps Protonmail narrow your results to the right conversation or contact. Next, look for the filter options related to attachments. There should be a setting that lets you only show emails that include attachments. Turn this on or check the box to enable the attachment filter. This is especially useful when you're trying to locate files, documents, or images someone sent you without scrolling through every single message. Once you've set your search area, chosen your sender or recipient, and enabled the attachment filter if you need it, you're ready to run the search. Click the search button, usually found next to the search bar. Protonmail will now scan based on your criteria and show you the matching results. Take a look through the filtered list and open any messages that match what you're looking for. You can always adjust your search terms or filters and click search again to refine the results. With these steps, you'll be able to filter your Protonmail quickly and efficiently whenever you need to find specific emails.